Hey everyone, today we'll be working on a CP55IQ 369SB best insert. What we're going to show you today, this unit has a CRT option, and CRT stands for Code Ready Technology. This Code Ready Technology allows changing this blower output from the factory setting from 600 down to 300 and 400 CFM. It's important nowadays. Code states in a lot of areas that you need to have makeup air if your blower is over 400 CFM. So this hood gives that option. You don't need makeup air. You can just limit the output. I'm going to run through the steps on how to do that. The unit does come with an instruction sheet, and this instruction sheet looks just like this. Basically, you have a BLDC board, and you're going to have some dip switches, and you're just going to flip the switches to whatever CFM you want. 300 CFM would be all the switches in the on position. 400 CFM would be switch number 1 in the on position, switch number 2 in the off position or down position, and switch number 3 and 4 would be on the on position. And I'm going to show you where to locate this board. On this unit, this BLDC board is located inside of this unit here, inside that light panel. First thing you want to do, always make sure you have protective gear on. And most importantly, make sure the power is turned off. Very important. First step, what you would do is you would remove the grease filter. And there is 3 of them. Once that grease filters are removed, there's also a service switch inside this unit. If you flip this switch to the off position, that would cut power to the unit. That way you wouldn't have to go flip the service breaker. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove this light panel. And to remove this whole light panel here, there's 2 screws. There is a screw on the right, and there's a screw on the left here. There's a piece of band steel here in the center. You're just going to bend that straight down, and this whole cover will come off. And I'm going to go ahead and get this taken care of. Alright, now that the light panel is removed, you can see the BLDC blower board here located. Right inside off that board, right where my finger is, right there, there are the dip switches that we were talking about. I know it might be a little hard to see on the camera, but that's where they're located. Again, for 300 CFM, dip switches 1, 2, 3, and 4 would be on the on position. And for 400 CFM, switch number 1 would be on the on position. Switch number 2 would be in the down position or off. And 3 and 4 would be on the on position. And that is it. I hope it helps. Thanks.